I use the spin the wheel to determine whether I should take buys or sells. Welcome back to the Trades by Mo channel. I'm going to use a spin the wheel website to determine whether I should take buys or sells over the last month on GU. To do this, we're going to use one indicator that I'll show you in a second, and make sure you stay to the end of the video to see the results. So to do that, we're going to type in sessions, and we're going to use this one here, sessions on chart. It does look a bit noisy, but we're going to change it up now. So we only want to use one of these, as we're only looking for one candle per day on the 15-minute chart. So it doesn't really matter which ones you get rid of. I'm going to get rid of Tokyo and New York and just keep London. I want the 3 o'clock candle UK time. To get 3 o'clock on my chart on that candle, you can see at the bottom it's 3 o'clock. I need to put 10 AM to 10:15. So you enter that, you tick off the other two, so you're only left with one line. You want to make it stand out a bit more. That looks good. So every day, as soon as that 3 o'clock candle opens, not when it closes, so you have the 2:45 candle. As soon as that candle closes, you want to enter on the 3 o'clock candle. And then we'll go on the spin wheel and see if we get a buy or sell. And there's a sell. Here we go, look, we have a winner, sell. For this method, we are using a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. We use a short position here, and we're targeting a 20 pip stop loss and a 20 pip take profit. So you can see this trade would have been a win, so I've put a W there next to it so we know which one it is. On today, you can see that the 3 o'clock candle recently painted. So for example, if we spin this wheel again, it would have been a buy, but we would have entered a long position at the start of this candle here, and that as well definitely would have hit take profit. With a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit. Before I do show the backtesting results, please definitely do hit that subscribe button, it helps me out a lot. So I've now done the backtesting for this method. As you can see here, on the 1st of July was when we started this trading method. Obviously the W means a win, that it hit the take profit, and an L means that it was a loss, so it hit the stop loss. Just for an example, you can see on the 1st of August here, we had a win trade because we entered on the start of the 3 o'clock candle, and it hit take profit. The following day, we had the 3 o'clock candle paint, but it spiked down. We must have had a buy on the spin wheel. See all the buys and sells over the spins, and now I'm going to show you the results. On the 15-minute time frame, trading on GBP USD, we were targeting 20 pips, and it was a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. To be honest with you, I thought this might have been at a loss, but clearly not. We had 26 wins overall and 12 losses. The most amount of wins we had in a row was 8, which is very impressive, and the most amount of losses we had in a row was 3. With a $5,000 My Forex Funds account, we could have risked 1% per trade, and 1% of 5,000 is 50, so we could have risked $50 per trade. So since the 1st of July, you would have made $700 doing this method, and it's purely down to chance based on the spin wheel. Like I said, I didn't think this method was going to be in profit, so I am very surprised about that. But it is always nice to see that methods like this do work. Definitely do backtest this though if you are thinking about having a go on this on a live account, or better yet, rather than risking your own money, use a funded account like My Forex Funds. I've got an affiliate link in the description if you want to check that out, it's fine if not. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please definitely do subscribe, we're almost at 100 subscribers now, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.